In a world obsessed with image and health, the battle against excess weight has become a common struggle. It's a challenge that transcends age, gender, and background, uniting people in a shared quest for a healthier, more confident self. Millions grapple with stubborn fat, tirelessly seeking effective solutions. From early morning jogs to late-night gym sessions, the pursuit of fitness is relentless. Countless diets, grueling workout routines, and a plethora of weight loss supplements flood the market, each promising miraculous results. The sheer volume of options can be overwhelming, leaving many unsure of where to turn. Yet many individuals find themselves trapped in a cycle of disappointment, their weight loss goals remaining elusive. The frustration of seeing little to no progress can be disheartening. The truth is, shedding those extra pounds can be a daunting and often frustrating journey. It's a path filled with highs and lows, victories and setbacks. Our bodies are complex, and factors like age, metabolism, and lifestyle choices all play a role in weight management. What works for one person may not work for another, adding to the challenge. Traditional weight loss methods often prove unsustainable, leading to yo-yo dieting and a sense of defeat. The cycle of losing and regaining weight can be mentally and physically exhausting. The weight loss industry is saturated with products that rely on stimulants to deliver rapid but often short-lived results. These quick fixes rarely address the root causes of weight gain. These stimulants can leave individuals feeling jittery, anxious, and unable to sleep, ultimately harming their overall well-being. The side effects can be as challenging as the weight loss journey itself. Moreover, many weight loss supplements contain synthetic ingredients with potentially harmful side effects, leaving individuals wary and skeptical. The search for a safe, effective solution continues. In the quest for a safe and effective weight loss solution, a new contender has emerged, one that promises to revolutionize the way we approach shedding those extra pounds. This innovative approach is gaining attention for its natural and sustainable benefits. This game changer is none other than CalmLean, a stimulant-free weight loss supplement designed to help individuals achieve their weight loss goals naturally and sustainably. With CalmLean, the journey to a healthier you becomes more attainable and less stressful. CalmLean is not just another weight loss supplement, it's a scientifically formulated breakthrough that harnesses the power of nature to deliver exceptional results without the unwanted side effects of stimulants. This revolutionary product is meticulously crafted with a unique blend of natural ingredients, each carefully selected for its potent weight loss properties. These ingredients work synergistically to promote a healthier metabolism and support your body's natural fat-burning processes. Unlike traditional fat burners that often rely on stimulants like caffeine to accelerate metabolism, CalmLean takes a different approach. It gently nudges your body into a state of thermogenesis, a natural process that helps burn calories and shed fat. This gentle yet effective approach ensures that you experience consistent weight loss without the jitters, crashes, or sleeplessness often associated with stimulant-based products. Imagine starting your day with a sense of calm and focus, knowing that your weight loss journey is supported by nature's best. CalmLean's all-natural formulation makes it a safe and healthy choice for individuals seeking sustainable weight loss. It's free from harmful chemicals, artificial additives, and other questionable ingredients commonly found in weight loss supplements. With CalmLean, you can rest assured that you're giving your body the support it needs to achieve your weight loss goals without compromising your health. Whether you're hiking on a trail, meditating in a garden, or simply enjoying a peaceful moment in nature, CalmLean is there to support you every step of the way. Embrace a new dawn in weight loss with CalmLean and discover the power of nature to transform your body and your life. It's time to take a step towards a healthier, happier you with a product that respects your body and the environment. With CalmLean, you can rest assured that you're giving your body the support it needs to achieve your weight loss goals without compromising your health. CalmLean's efficacy lies in its carefully selected blend of natural ingredients, each playing a crucial role in promoting weight loss. These ingredients are not just chosen randomly, they are backed by scientific research and traditional wisdom, ensuring that you get the best of both worlds. Let's delve into the key components that make CalmLean a true game changer. Each ingredient has a unique function, working synergistically to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Green tea extract. Packed with antioxidants and a compound called EGCG, green tea extract is renowned for its metabolism-boosting properties. This ancient ingredient has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. Studies have shown that EGCG can enhance fat oxidation, helping your body burn more calories throughout the day. This means that even during your daily activities, your body is working harder to shed those extra pounds. CalmLean, Coleus forscoli root extract. This powerful ingredient has been clinically proven to promote lipolysis, the breakdown of stored fat in the body. By targeting fat cells directly, CalmLean helps you achieve a leaner physique. CalmLean helps release fatty acids from fat cells, making them available as fuel for your body's energy needs. This not only aids in weight loss but also boosts your overall energy levels, making you feel more active and vibrant. 7-keto-DHEA. A naturally occurring metabolite of DHEA, 7-keto-DHEA, is known to support a healthy metabolism and promote thermogenesis. This process generates heat in the body, further aiding in calorie burning. By increasing your metabolic rate, 7-keto-DHEA helps your body burn more calories even at rest. This means that you can continue to lose weight even when you're not actively exercising. Bioperine, black pepper extract. While not a weight loss ingredient on its own, bioperine enhances the bioavailability of other ingredients in CalmLean. This ensures that your body can absorb and utilize the active compounds more effectively. This means that your body can absorb and utilize the active compounds more effectively, maximizing their weight loss benefits. With CalmLean, you're not just taking a supplement, you're embracing a holistic approach to weight loss that respects your body's natural rhythms and processes. At the heart of CalmLean's effectiveness lies the principle of thermogenesis, a natural process that plays a pivotal role in weight management. Thermogenesis refers to the production of heat in the body, which requires energy expenditure and ultimately leads to calorie burning. CalmLean's unique blend of ingredients works synergistically to stimulate thermogenesis, gently increasing your metabolic rate and promoting fat oxidation. As your body generates more heat, it burns more calories even when you're not actively engaged in physical activity. Unlike stimulant-based thermogenics that can send your system into overdrive, CalmLean induces a gentle and sustained thermogenic effect. This means you'll experience consistent fat burning throughout the day without the jitters, crashes, or sleep disturbances often associated with stimulants. By harnessing the power of thermogenesis, CalmLean provides a safe and natural way to boost your metabolism, burn calories more effectively, and achieve your weight loss goals without compromising your overall well-being. So, let's talk about the benefits, beyond just weight loss. You see, it's not just about shedding pounds, it's also about feeling more energetic, improving your mood, and boosting your overall health. Many people report better sleep and increased focus. Plus, there's the added bonus of building healthy habits that last a lifetime. So yeah, it's a holistic approach to well-being, not just a quick fix. Alright, let's dive into some real evidence and testimonials. Many users have reported significant improvements in their weight loss journey thanks to CalmLean. These testimonials come from people just like you who are looking for a safe and effective solution. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of using CalmLean. On the plus side, it's all natural, easy to use, and has shown promising results for many users. However, like any supplement, it may not work the same for everyone. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider to ensure it's right for you. Moving on, let's address some common concerns. One question we often get is about side effects. CalmLean is formulated to be gentle on the body, but as with any supplement, individual reactions can vary. Another common concern is about the time it takes to see results. While many users see changes within a few weeks, consistency is key. So, are you ready to take charge of your weight loss journey with CalmLean? Remember, achieving your goals is a combination of the right supplement, a balanced diet, and regular exercise. With CalmLean, you have a reliable partner in your quest for a healthier you. Click the link in the description to buy only from the official website. Try it once and see the result. Could it be the solution to your problem? Let's get started today.